Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm at Lupin, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that what Coinbase is not talking about its new layer 2 network base. So let's talk about it. Then we have here Australia announces CBDC pilot and study for the Australian dollar. So they're going in this direction as well. And then we have here Jack Dorsey's BlueSky social network on App Store, and this could be the rival, the decentralized rival for Twitter. So that could be kind of interesting. So guys, all this in today's video, and don't forget that every single day I make you a couple of new videos here on YouTube, short videos, long videos, to keep you up to date. So if you would like to keep yourself up to date in crypto and blockchain, simply just subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom, subscribe, bell button, all that's it. And then you will get the notifications as soon as a new video is out. Hit the like button if you like this kind of content. And now let's do it. Okay, and the first is that we should really check the market, how that looks like at the moment. So Bitcoin went down 1.4% in the last 24 hours. It makes Bitcoin $23,418. Ethereum at the moment $1,643, about a bit more than 0.5% down. Not big moves. Then among the top gainers, well, we don't have too many, and top losers, yeah, the top gainers, nothing gains. XDC is a little bit up, but that's it pretty much. Top losers, yes, Flock is down now 10%. Then we have Clay down 8%, and here NEM going down a bit more than 7%. When we look here at the Bitcoin candlestick chart, this is here the daily one. Then we can see that, yes, we are still here moving basically here sideways since the 24th of February. Excuse me. So yes, we hit 25,000 just for a short time. We were above it just like a little bit, but just the wick of this candle, and we came back. We couldn't close above it, and now we are on this level. The volume, it's not that much either. Okay, sideways action so far. And now let's move on to the first topic. And the first topic is all about like Coinbase, new layer 2 network base. And you know, if it's like a layer 2 built on Ethereum, it's supposed to be, you know, like then decentralized, the whole point of it. But it's interesting, will it have KYC? Because this is not what really Coinbase is talking about. Okay, so here we have this article, and it's all about what Coinbase isn't telling you about the base. So basically, on the 23rd of February, Coinbase announced that it would be developing a layer 2 network built on Ethereum called Base, promoting its offering a secure, low-cost, developer-friendly way for everyone, everywhere to build decentralized apps. So let's zoom in a little bit more. Okay, so due to the centralized nature of the network, like for example, Arbitrum or Optimism, questions have been raised about how much responsibility the companies behind these two networks should have for the contents of the transactions that they processing. So, however, since Arbitrum and Optimism are not yet recognized as money transmitters by any government, they have largely escaped regulations. Coinbase, however, has been recognized money transmitter for years and is registered with FinCEN as a money service business. And by the way, this means that Coinbase, a licensed money transmitter that is required to comply with the Patriot Act and Bank Secrecy Act, will be entirely responsible for processing all Base layer 2 transactions. This begs the question, will all funds are bridged to Base require identify verification by Coinbase KYC before the bridging is allowed? If so, then Base will be the first ever KYC only Ethereum layer 2. So Base will be permissionless to build on. However, they have never explicitly said that it will be permissionless to use? And this is now the big question. Because, when it all comes to DeFi, decentralized things, it's all about non-KYC. So you use a centralized exchange, for example, that's KYC. Binance, Coinbase, and so on and so forth. So now they came out with this, layer 2 solution on Ethereum. And to build on, it's permissionless, but they don't talk about really how is this from the user side. And this could be interesting. Anyway, well, maybe there we're going to have like layer 2 with KYC. There will be layer 2s with non-KYC and all this kind of opportunities. And then, everybody can choose whatever they want. But this is something interesting we should really figure out. Okay. The next all about Australia announces CBDC pilots. So these guys in Australia are also going in this direction. I talk quite a lot about CBDCs here on this channel because I think this is like one of the key things why we even thinking about Bitcoin, because the full control what the governments and the authorities will have through CBDCs, that's like crazy in my opinion, when everything will be digital or your cash will be transferred and made digital, so it's nothing anymore in your hands. And Australia also going in this direction, as you can see here. So Australia drew one step closer Wednesday on to potentially establishing a central bank digital currency. So this is what CBDC stands for, as the Reserve Bank of Australia announced an upcoming pilot phase for its digital version of the Australian dollar called Australian dollar. The pilot and the broader reach study that will be conducted in parallel with will serve two ends. It will contribute to hands-on learning by industry, and it will add policymakers' understanding of how CBDC could potentially benefit to Australian financial system and economies. This is what they're saying. Bottom line is that they think also that CBDCs are the future. Digital money will be the future anyway, because we live in a digital world. And what you shouldn't forget about is what CBDC centralizing means and what Bitcoin, for example, decentralizing system means. Do your homework if that's not clear for you. But with this, they're going to have full control over your money. And now we have the next one. It's Jack Dorsey's decentralized Twitter rival hit App Store. So we have already talked about BlueSky. BlueSky is made by Jack Dorsey's team, and it's a social network, but a decentralized one. It's now hit App Store. So Jack Dorsey is the co-founder of the social network platform Twitter, is processing with BlueSky and a decentralized Twitter alternative as its mobile application enters private beta testing. So this is just a private beta testing, right? So BlueSky has hit App Store as an invite-only app, allowing certain persons to try out a new social experience by creating an account via an invite code. So the app is reportedly not yet available for Android testers on Google Play. On BlueSky's App Store preview, the rival apps looks very much like Twitter. So here you can see it. In a similar type to Twitter, the BlueSky app's feed also has comments and likes, comments, and reports. And so the platform aims to provide a decentralized social network protocol, which is expected to make its users data free from influence by any government or corporation. This is actually bottom line, the main thing of decentralized thing. So interesting that how now Jack Dorsey's, old child Twitter will do with Elon Musk, and now Jack Dorsey moved on and coming out to the decentralized version of the social media platform called BlueSky, and how many users it will have. But now this is just in the beta phase, but also in App Store. So they in process and they moving on. Actually, would you try out something like this? Let me know in the comment section. So guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, every single day you're getting fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom. So if you like this, then first hit the like button and definitely subscribe to this YouTube channel, because I'm going to keep you up to date, which I think very important in this fast growing industry. So subscribe bell button. Oh, that's the only thing you have to do. And then you're getting the notifications as soon as a new video is out. Guys, see you in the next video. Have a good one. Bye-bye.